Let me show you what you're getting for your money nowadays. We don't put out this quality work, but it's everywhere, and it's nauseating to see this. So this Nissan Murano, I'm going for a road test. Steering wheel's off to the left. Lower control arms are bad. Someone just put new outer tie rod ends on, but let me show you their work. I'm going to say that there's absolutely no grease has ever touched that grease fitting. And if they come with grease fittings, you need to add grease. If they don't come with grease fittings, you're usually okay. Fresh, brand new, done. No cotter pin whatsoever in there. No cotter pin whatsoever in there. And look where the grease fitting is on that side. Oh, that's in a convenient location. Because they don't come installed, you have to install them. But both lower control arms are bad. I mean, there's a lot of different issues with this car. But this is pretty sad that you can't even install tie rod ends correctly. And you don't really even have to put a cotter pin back in here. You could put welding wire. You could have put a zip tie. You could have put a safety pin. You could have put anything in there to just complete the job. And then a guy like me would never say anything, but you didn't do anything. Let alone pump some grease in there. When you put grease fittings in, you want to make it accessible for the next technician if it's not you to work on it. That tells me he never planned on greasing it. What I tell my guys are, install the grease fittings off the car, grease them off the car, and then you don't have to worry about this stuff. The sway bar links are hammered. I just say it's impossible. It's not impossible, but I'll say it's less likely that a customer watched a YouTube video and said, hey, I'm going to go fix my front end and do it half-assed and then leave major parts still bad. I mean, if this was my customer originally, and he just said do the outer tie rod ends, I'm like, yeah, take it someplace else. Not fixing your front end with not doing the alignment, not setting the toe, or I mean, doing the alignment or setting the toe at minimum. Sway bar links, control arms. I wouldn't say sorry, I'm not doing it. I don't care how busy or dead the shop is. I'm not a money grab. Send you out no better than you came in. Calipers and rotors and pads. What a mess. I mean, that's somewhat right. These vehicles back here need a subframe inspection. Make sure that at least it has some integrity left before I get into working on a car like the one that's out on the street with the subframe rotted out of it. It's got some weak points in the exhaust. Easy. What's up, man?